Okay, fat guy with old computers here for just a little update on the Mac Plus. You might know it's a bit dark. I'm outside in the garage. It's 1 a.m. I was just asked online if I could, look and see if the, monitor was coming on at all, meaning at the back of the yoke there. I probably can't see it. I might try to adjust it in post. To see if you can even see the yoke light up, like you would on a tube. So I got the side of the case off for the moment. Before I made that post, I replaced U2, which is actually exactly right there, the back side of it, and nothing happened. Now I expected according to the videos or books I've read, etc., that if the U2 chip and the lag chip on the logic board are fried, then shoe fly. Oh, never mind. If the board is fried, then I'll just get a really bright raster if the lag chip's fried. I turned it on, I replaced U2, and nothing happened. So, yeah, then we looked at that. So I go to turn this thing on to see if that lights up at all. Find out, don't zap the shit out of myself. Now keep in mind I let this run a couple minutes before and a couple minutes after. Let's see if that lights up. Not seeing it in the screen. Okay, there it is. There it is. You can see a little bit of a glow on that. When I noticed that, when I took this thing off, look what fucking happened. I shit you not. That was... With the case off, it's working. I wonder if where's my discs at? That's for the P. That's for the 25. I think this is the boot. Now the screen looks absolutely just fine. There's a little bit of a more black than well, I'm not gonna fucking bitch right now. I don't have a mouse or a keyboard hooked up. That's pretty goddamn successful if you ask me. God damn, I don't know what the hell's going on. Maybe there was something shorting out in the case, because I always put it back in the case before I turned it on. I'm going to have to research this. But yeah. Something just fucking decided to work now. I mean, I might look at the horse's mouth and get a little bit of screen there, but I'm honestly probably not even going to touch that. Well, fuck. Expect a full video of workup on it.